Hey guys, this is Josh from DKNY Locksmith. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make a key for a push to start button on 2013 Honda Accord. We're gonna use the iKey 820. We're gonna go into Honda, go by vehicle, go to Honda Accord 2013. We're gonna go to keyless. As you can see right now, that doesn't work. It will give us the sound, but nothing's happening. So it says to turn ignition on. Once I'm trying it, nothing happened. So I'm gonna press OK anyway. Then I'm gonna do all keyless lost. It says to put all the keys outside the car, so I'm gonna put it here and press on it. Now it says to put it back in, so we're gonna put it in. Press the start button twice, so nothing's happening. So the ignition hasn't turned on, so we're gonna do escape. Now it's asking me to start the button until the instrument is on. I'm gonna press on it, and while I'm pressing on it, I'm gonna press on OK. We got it on position. Now it's asking, is ignition on position? We're gonna do OK. It's asking me the amount of the keys. I'm gonna make 2. OK. Put the keyless out of the car. So that's what we're doing right now. Basically, I'm doing the procedure because it's just telling me to please wait. So I'm turning off and then I'm turning on. Now it's asking again to turn it back off. We're gonna turn it back off. And we're gonna turn it on. Security lights on. Gone again. So let's see what's happening now. Bam, car starting. Now let's make sure. Yeah, we have a sound.